Protein versus carbs, which is really better for building muscle? Are you confused about whether you should be eating more protein or carbs to build muscle? It's a common question among fitness enthusiasts, so let's dive into the science behind it. Protein is essential for building muscle because it contains amino acids, which are the building blocks of muscle tissue. When you exercise, your muscles experience small tears that need to be repaired. Protein helps to repair these tears and build new muscle tissue. Carbohydrates are necessary for energy during exercise as they are converted into glucose for muscle fuel. Lack of carbs can lead to insufficient energy, thus hindering muscle growth. So, which one is better for building muscle? The answer is both. You need adequate amounts of both protein and carbs to build muscle effectively. Aim to consume at least 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight and enough carbs to fuel your workouts. Don't think that one macronutrient is better than another for building muscle. Protein and carbs both play crucial roles in muscle growth, so include both in your diet.